Hey everybody, this is David at Barnyard Bees. Why does it always seem I'm on top of a ladder on top of my truck shaking a swarm out of the tree? And it's, not sure of the time, I can't see it on my phone, 8:30 maybe, 9, pushing 9 o'clock. This swarm just developed, so it's a late evening swarm. So I got my box with 3 empty frames and 1 frame that I just pulled out of one of my hives out there. I always do that. It makes a huge difference in how well they'll go into that box. And then on the very top I have a shaker box. It's just actually a super. And so now I'm gonna climb up there and hit it. And we'll try to do this one-handed. I don't know how this will work, but I'm gonna put it on pause and climb up and try to hit it with a stick and see what happens, or with a long pole. Don't try this at home. I don't know how this is gonna work. Two points, I think. I sat there for probably 15 minutes trying to line that box up. With the tree, just to see if I could shake that thing in there. And I must have got lined up pretty good, because that whole gob pretty much went right in the box. Now if they'll just stay in there, hopefully they will. There, I may have to hit it again. I can see a gob up there on the limb, possibly the queen's still on it, you never know. They're gathering back, so I may not hit hard enough, so I may have to go for a second attempt here. Hold on. Okay, it looks like most of them are going in, but there's still that little gob up there. This is really hard to do one-handed. That's why I said don't try this at home. Anything for a video, huh? Sorry for all the shaking, guys. This is really hard to do one-handed. Woo. Could be a little bit shaky, but maybe it'll make a decent video. Well, it looks like they're going in. It wasn't a real big swarm. It was probably a 2-pounder maybe. Put a few drops of lemongrass in it. 1 frame, brood, had a little bit of honey. It always helps. It was really a late evening swarm, so they would have been stuck there all night. So I thought it was a good timing. Get them while it's dark, or where it's getting dark. The sun's already down, and I thought that'd be a little interesting video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We sure appreciate. We're getting ready to do another video on our mini mating nukes, and I want to go through the process of showing everybody the dimensions, the sizes, and then we'll go into the bee yard and I'm going to show everyone how I stock them. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching Barnyard Bees.